Have you ever picked up a book, read a few pages, and then forgotten everything you just read? You're not alone. Today, I'm going to share a simple but powerful approach to help you read any book effectively, whether it's fiction, non-fiction, self-help, or even a textbook. Step 1. Know your purpose. Before diving into any book, ask yourself, why am I reading this? Are you reading for fun? For learning? For a project or exam? Your purpose decides how deeply you need to read and how much time to invest. Step 2. Skim before you dive. Don't start on page 1 right away. First, flip through the table of contents, read the introduction, and glance at a few chapter titles. This gives your brain a map of what's coming, and helps you absorb information better when you start reading. Step 3. Read actively, not passively. Reading isn't just about seeing words on a page. It's about engaging. So, highlight key points. Take notes. Ask questions. Pause and think about what you just read. The more active your brain is, the more you'll remember. Step 4. Try the SQ3R method, especially for non-fiction. It stands for Survey the chapter. Ask questions about the headings. Read to find the answers. Recite or summarize what you learned. And finally, review it later. This method turns reading into a learning experience. Step 5. Set a reading rhythm. Don't try to finish a book in one go. Set small daily goals, like a chapter a day. Use the Pomodoro technique, 25 minutes of focused reading, followed by a short break. You'll retain more, and enjoy it more too. Step 6. Reflect and apply. After each chapter or section, ask, what did I learn? How does this apply to my life? If it's fiction, think about the characters and themes. If it's non-fiction, think about how you can use the ideas in real life. Step 7. Reread key parts. Some books deserve a second look. Go back and revisit your highlights or notes. You'll notice things you missed the first time, and the ideas will stick longer. For fiction, let yourself get lost in the story. For non-fiction, focus on learning and applying what you read. And whether it's a paperback, an e-book, or an audiobook, just keep reading. Books are lifelong teachers. You just need to listen. Thanks for listening, and happy reading.